Welcome aboard, it's Captain G. We're back here. We're on turn 6, I'm thinking. So we're into the war. The U.S. has made progress in Central America with Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. They had already previously liberated Cuba, but the Soviets have also spread now well into Chile and Paraguay, Peru, Ecuador. So the Americas are still a battle zone, which is taking a lot of U.S. attention, as it rightly should. But they have sent military aid over to their allies in Europe in the form of some A-10s as military aid. In version 2, NATO can build A-10s. There's a limit on how many per turn, and they can only be built at these joint allied bases, which includes Rhineland, but they could not build them, say, in Paris, right? So the U.S. has sent some aircraft. They've also sent some light infantry and sent military aid. So Rhineland is holding. Benelux is empty because that would trigger a very high level of nuclear release for NATO, and Warsaw Pact is wisely not setting off that trigger. Let's see, last time we were here, there was a Soviet fleet here, but it's there, but it's all the way down the bottom. It's hard to see. And the NATO fleet suffered some heavy casualties as well, but we did come through victorious. We eliminated the amphibious threat which that fleet would have posed on us on War 1. And now our fleets are back here, replenishing and refitting and repairing. So I can repair 2 of my cruisers next turn from that land zone. Lost Norway, lost Denmark, lost North Germany and Bavaria. I had lost Lazio, a daring airborne assault from the Warsaw Pact, but I counterattacked immediately, failed to retake it. Warsaw Pact flew their air assault units back for perhaps another theater, and then built new units and staged a hefty defense, but the Forces of Freedom overcame that defense, and we retook Lazio, which is super awesome, fantastic.
Until the glorious counterattack.
And we'll see. We'll see how glorious the counterattack is. I have paramilitary. I have 2 paramilitary, 4 altogether.
4.
And then in Africa, the Libyans have conquered Chad and spread into Nigeria. And V2 oil does not penalize the West. It's a boost to the East. So Ozark Outpost with this submarine is just doing slots here. Bing, 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 bing. And attacking this. And every time he sinks it, he gets 2 IPP. And Nigeria is IPP for Warsaw Pact, but not a penalty against the West. So that's where we are on this map. Maybe a little later, I'll go into Table Reagan and see where they are. This is Captain G, over and out.